IUPAC names of quinoline and isoquinoline compounds. It is heterocyclic compounds. The cyclic compound containing at least one atom other than the carbon atoms in the ring structure are known as heterocyclic compounds. The nomenclature of quinoline and isoquinoline molecules. The structure of quinoline compound: the benzene nucleus fused with heterocyclic nucleus like this, double bond, here double bond, double bond, double bond. There are two cycle fused with each others. One is carbocyclic and one is heterocyclic molecules fused together to form heterocyclic fused compounds. These are the structure of quinoline and the structure of isoquinoline. Like here again, the benzene nucleus fused with the heterocyclic nucleus. These are the structure of isoquinoline. The first rule for the IUPAC names of quinoline and isoquinoline molecule, that is numbering of the molecules. The numbering in a simple heterocyclic compounds are done in such way that the heteroatom get number 1 and the numbering is continued in the anti-clockwise directions. For the quinoline molecules, the numbering start from the heteroatoms, like the nitrogen is heteroatom, therefore the nitrogen getting as first number, then these are the second, third, then fourth, then fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. These are the numbering start from the heteroatoms in the quinoline molecules. And the fused or common carbon atoms, the numbering is used like these are the 4A and 8A. The numbering in isoquinoline, here the numbering start from the adjacent with the fused atoms, that is these are the exception like these molecules, therefore the numbering start from these adjacent to the common carbon atoms, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These also 4A and these are the 8A. In IUPAC nomenclature system, generally for the heterocyclic molecules, the traditional or common name also used, like the first rule, that is numbering, then second rule, the parent name that is written at the end is the name of the heterocyclic ring, that is the heterocyclic ring name written at the end of the suffix. These are the quinoline molecules, that is the quinoline name at the name of parent nucleus written at the suffix, that is at the ending of the name, like quinoline and isoquinoline. Now the first example, that is the quinoline molecule, the numbering start from this heteroatom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here at the carbon number 5 there is one substituent, that is nitro substituent, present in the ring nucleus. Therefore before the name of IUPAC name of these molecules, at the prefix the number and name of substituents, like these are the nitro present at the carbon number 5, therefore the 5 nitro, and then at the suffix the name of heterocyclic nucleus, that is quinoline. 5-nitroquinoline is the correct IUPAC name of these molecules. Then second one, here the numbering start from the adjacent to the common carbon atom, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and these are the 8. In this molecule there is one substituent present at the carbon number 8. Therefore the substituent number and name of the substituents here, that is nitro substituents. Therefore the IUPAC name of this molecule, that is 8-nitro isoquinoline. These are the correct IUPAC name of these molecules. Now the another examples, like here again these are the quinoline molecules, therefore numbering from the heteroatom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. In this molecule there are two substituents present, that is one is bromine and another is amino group, NH2 group. Therefore at the IUPAC nomenclature system, according to the rule, the first substituent which can be listed at the first after this second. Therefore the substituent amino, the word start from letter A. Therefore in IUPAC nomenclature system, the first substituent, like according to the alphabetical order, amino is first, then bromo. Therefore the number and name of the first substituent, that is 8 amino dash, then 4 bromo quinoline. These are the correct IUPAC name of these molecules. The next example, here again there are two substituents, that is one amino and one is chloro substituents. Therefore according to the IUPAC rules, the numbering start from adjacent to the common carbon atoms. So therefore these are the 1, then 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here again two substituents according to alphabetical order. Amino is first, then chloro. Therefore the one amino in IUPAC name, 1 amino dash 5 chloro, then the parent nucleus name, that is isoquinoline. These are the correct IUPAC name of these molecules. The next one, if a given name of this molecule, then how to draw correct structure of this molecule. In this case the suffix indicate the nature of heterocyclic nucleus. Here the quinoline, that means the structure or the parent nucleus is quinoline. You can draw the structure of quinoline molecules. First of all, draw structure of quinoline molecules, then you can number this quinoline structure, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. After this, then you can check what are the substituents present in this molecule and number of these substituents. Here the substituents present on the carbon number 2nd, that is these are the carbon atoms, and this substituent is ethoxy. Eth indicate two carbon atoms, oxy indicate oxygen atoms. So therefore the nature of substituent is OC2H5, that is OCH2CH3. These are the correct structure of given name of these molecules. The second one, here the name of the molecule is 3-methoxy 5-methyl isoquinoline. Here isoquinoline, Therefore you can draw the parent nucleus structure which contain isoquinoline molecules. Therefore the benzene fused with the heterocyclic nucleus, that is isoquinoline like this structure. Then after this molecule in the isoquinoline, according to IUPAC numbering rules, the numbering start from the adjacent with the common carbon atom, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Now the what are the substituent present in this molecule, you can check the what are the substituent present in this molecule. Therefore the carbon number 3 will be substituted. Therefore here is one substituents and carbon number 5 is substituted with one another substituent. Therefore the carbon number 3 and carbon number 5 is substituted with the carbon number 3 is methoxy. Meth indicate one carbon atoms and O, that is oxygen atom. Therefore OCH3, that is methoxy substituents, and at the carbon number 5 there is methyl group, that is CH3 molecule. Therefore these are the correct structure according to the given name of these molecules. Now these are the practice examples. You can write correct name and draw correct structure of this given molecules and then send answer image of these molecules.